The Seven Oaks haunting is reported to occur at Seven Oaks, a colonial mansion located in Mamaroneck, New York, in Westchester County, New York. This haunting is reported to be occurring ever since the time of the Revolutionary War. During the Battle of Orient Point, one of the bloodier engagements of the Revolutionary War, the mansion was British held. American soldiers, especially the wounded, were often smuggled out to Long Island Sound via an underground railroad passing through the mansion. There were many secret passageways honeycombed through the mansion. The entrance was from the library, where some books would slide back and a slender wooden staircase appeared. Gas lights had been installed in the 19th century to light these old passageways that a butler had stumbled upon by chance. Gaslight lighting was superior to candle lighting, inasmuch as today's electric lighting is superior to the gaslight lighting. The house was reported as haunted as early as 1932, when the ghost had started to appear every night. The ghost was described as being about 45 years of age, with long blonde hair and a sweet expression on her face. When the occupant was in the bathroom, the ghost appeared in the adjoining bedroom and beckoned her with an expression of sadness and frustration on her face, but disappeared when approached. At first, the lady of the house was upset at these appearances, but later got used to having the ghost around. The ghost also appeared in the second-floor master bedroom a number of times, but again, when approached, vanished. Often the family dog would bark loudly and strongly before the fireplace at something or someone that people could not see, but evidently the dog could. The servants constantly complained of being pulled from their beds in the servants' quarters by unseen hands. It was as if someone wanted their attention, but there never was anyone there when the lights were turned on. It is thought that the spirit wanted to talk to someone, as it seems they often do. Communication and inability to be heard or seen by people of flesh and blood is the main agony of a wraith. The spirit continues to be seen on occasion, and if someone stays overnight, may be rudely pulled out of bed by unseen hands. The Seven Oaks haunting continues to this day with no hint of stopping any time soon. Thank you.